welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video. I have partnered up with Ana Luisa. Ana Luisa is a sustainable, super planet conscious jewellery brand based in New York. So when they reached out about the partnership, I was over the moon because I have been following this brand on Instagram for a while now, and they're just so funny and their jewellery is really good quality. And when they sent me this box, I was just over the moon because my birthday's coming and Valentine's Day is coming. So this is just such a great gift. I'm over the moon. So thank you so much for Ana Luisa. So they let me to pick 3 jewellery pieces and I did. And I'll be unboxing these jewellery pieces with you today. So let's unbox this gift. So let's open my gifts. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Looking good. This is how it looks inside. Okay. Gorgeous note. Oh wow, gorgeous pouch, jewelry pouch, which I'll be definitely reusing when I'll be traveling. Oh, these are like magnetic. Oh, really cool. Okay, so my first jewelry piece. I'm a big fan of gold hoop earrings, a big fan. So I chose these. I love these hoop earrings. Have a look. These are kind of like a protecting plastic sheet, I think. Oh, so they don't rub against each other. Let me take them off. Oh. Okay, so that's off. Oh, they look really nice. Very shiny and very nice. Let's open these stoppers. Okay. Oh, there's a gorgeous logo letter there. Oh, that's stunning. The back stopper looks quite big. Let me show you. Sorry, I had to get my little one, my normal earring stopper, just as a size reference. Look how big that Ana Luisa earring stopper is. Wow, that's amazing. The quality looks really great. I love big earring stoppers because it's so much easier to use it and put it, like grab it with your fingers. So, oh wow, this is stunning. Really stunning. Let's try these on. So these earrings are called Jolene. They are $55 and diameter on these earrings is 4.5 centimeters and they are made of 14 karat gold on brass. So the next jewelry piece what I chose is, okay, yes, another hoop earrings. I'm a big fan of the hoop earrings. I just love, I never had this like an oval shape hoop earring, so that's why I chose these. And also I always had like hoop earrings with the stoppers at the back, like on these. So these are a bit different. These have like a kind of a clip on. I'll show you. It's just kind of like a clips in there and clips out, so it's very easy and quick to put on. So I love that. Oh, gorgeous. There's a name there as well, Annalise. Oh wow, they're really beautifully made. Stunning. Oh wow, that's so delicate. Wow. Love them. Yeah, 2 hoop earrings, I know, but they are different. You can see these are like I will be probably wearing for every day. It's just standard, really gorgeous hoop earring, and these are more like kind of elegant, like classy earrings, which I'll be using for special occasions and probably every day as well. So let's try these on. These earrings are called CUIDADO and they are $75. Diameter on these earrings is 26.2 millimeters and they are 14 karat gold on brass. So the third jewelry piece which I chose is, let's have a look. Oh, I know what it is. It's a stunning bracelet which I have been wanting for ages. Oh wow. Oh, stunning, the detail. Oh, it's stainless steel. Oh, lovely. And there's a logo there. Oh, so beautiful. Really nice. Let's try this on. Oh, stunning. Okay. Let's remove the logo. Okay. Put that there. Okay. Oh, it's such a beautiful piece and it's made so beautifully. Okay, and then I think it clips on like that. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, my fingerprints, excuse. Oh, wow. So stunning. Really, really nice. Okay, oh, there's a note. Okay, so this bracelet does come with the extendable link. Okay, if the bracelet is too shorter for you, then you can extend it, which is quite good to have. So I'll put that back. Oh, really, really gorgeous. This bracelet is called Aura and it is $75 and it is made of 14 karat gold on stainless steel. If you are looking for birthday presents or Valentine's Day present, then Annalise is definitely for you. And jewellery always makes the best presents. I'm just so speechless about the quality. It's just so beautifully made and all the detailing on the hoop earrings. I love that logo there. That logo there, and it's just so beautiful. And this bracelet, that logo, and the, oh, I'm just speechless. Really, really gorgeous. If you're planning to purchase one of these jewelry pieces or any other jewelry pieces from Ana Luisa website, then they do offer 365-day warranty on their jewelry, which is quite a long time in my opinion and really good. And also they do speedy delivery all around the world. And they offered me 20% off for my subscribers. So use Anita Benko 20 to get 20% off. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it gave you some ideas what to get for Valentine's Day or birthday for your loved one or for yourself. And also I'll link all of the links of my jewellery which I chose down below in the description box, and I will add my 20% off discount on the description box too. And I'll see you next time. Love, Anita. Mwah.